Hi everyone, it's Mark here from ID4.Reviews. I wanted to tell you about our exciting news today. We seem to have waited forever for the Energy Savings Trust to sort out our grants and associated loans, but today our journey starts. We're off in a moment to pick up our brand new ID4 from the dealer, so I'm sat in our RAV4 now for the very last time. Had RAV4s now, maybe this is the third one. Had them for quite a few years. They've been absolutely great for our family of four with a dog, and it's kind of an end of an era actually, but we're really looking forward to the ID4, and we'll update you shortly with our very first official video. So today all I wanted to do was to introduce myself and to say hi, and to let you know that all of our content is available at ID4.Reviews. We'll have social media channels, so please ask us anything on those, on our website, on Twitter, on Facebook, YouTube, any of those channels. So do please ask us anything, and as ever, like, comment and share. Over the next few months, you'll get to hear more about our family of four as we take on the ID4. See you all soon. Like, comment and share. Thanks. Bye.